Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to guide you through the steps to manually add a currency exchange rate in NetSuite. Please subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So the first thing we will do is go to List, Accounting, Currency, Exchange Rates. So we will add a new one. Then we will select the base currency. So you select the base currency for this exchange rate. In NetSuite One World, you select the base currency for any subsidiary you can access. If you do not use NetSuite One World, this field will automatically display your base currency. Then you select the foreign currency. So for example, if you want to get the exchange rate for the euro to the US dollar, you select the US dollar in the base currency like I've done here. And in the currency field, you select euro. If the currency is not listed, create a new currency as explained in the other video that I published previously. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So then we need to select the exchange rate type that you might have. I don't have it in this version, but that's something that you might have in your version, so please pay attention to it. And then I have to enter the exchange rate here in the field. So for example, if 1 euro equals to $1.357, that's what I would write. You can enter up to 15 digits to the left of the decimal and up to 8 digits to the right. This page will also display on the right the current or the previous recorded exchange rate in your NetSuite and its effective date for comparison. You can set your effective date for your exchange rate. So for me, I'm recording this on the 20th of June 2024. So I think that makes sense to put that rate. Although I didn't check the number I gave you here. It's a bit of a random one. But you get the idea. And then all you have to do after is save the exchange rate. Or you can save a new if you want to add another exchange rate just after. To see the impact of this exchange rate change, go to a transaction, for example, an invoice, or the currency revaluations page. And lastly, make sure to visit Kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.